सीएम पंक ने यूएफसी में जाके डब्ल्यूडब्ल्यूई फैंस को तो लजवाया ही है। देयर हैव बीन 3 exceptional fighters who made the transition from UFC to WWE and they have done a tremendous job। और जो लोग एटीट्यूड एरा में बड़े नहीं हुए हैं शायद उनको तो इन दो के नाम भी नहीं पता होंगे। द फर्स्ट वन इज डैन द बीस्ट सेवरन। डैन द बीस्ट सेवरन was known for his exceptional wrestling skill। He was not much of a striker but he did pretty well in the early age of MMA for himself and जब उसको और पैसे की जरूरत पड़ी तो ही and his age was getting to him so he made the move to WWF। उस टाइम पे I think the audience was not evolved enough to understand the style of Dan the Beast Severn but तुम आज जाके देखोगे उसकी fights तो they were pretty good for somebody who has never fake fought in his life। The second one is the pioneer of MMA, Ken Shamrock। Ken Shamrock is the mind behind Lions Den। He did pretty well for himself in WWF tour। मेरे हिसाब से he had one of the best physique ever। And the third one, a very sad story, is Matt Riddle। I think बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं होगा कि Matt Riddle actually used to be a very promising UFC fighter but अपनी आदतों के कारण he was kicked out। उसके बाद जिस तरीके से उसने सिचुएशन को हैंडल किया था he was never called back and the same thing happened in WWF कि उसकी जो भी प्रोफेशनल हैबिट्स थी they caught up to him and he was kicked out and उसके बाद में in the end very sadly he started his own OnlyFans जो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं चला। I wonder why।